Japanese Headstart Program, Module 7, Taxis, Side 3. Part 8, Supplementary Self-Evaluation Quiz, Section 1. You will hear 10 situations. Respond to each in Japanese. After you respond, the correct answer will be heard on the tape. 1. You tell the cab driver to take you to the Imperial Palace. You say,
球場お願いします。
2. You tell the cab driver to take you to the Electronics District. You say,
秋葉原お願いします。
3. You show the cab driver a picture of your destination on a postcard. You say,
ここお願いします。
4. You tell the cab driver that this is the place. You say,
ここです。
5. The cab driver asks you if this is the place. To answer yes, you say,
はい。
6. You want to get out of the cab before you reach your destination. You say,
ここでいいです。
7. The cab driver asks you if this is the place. You say no, it's over there. You say,
いいえ、あそこです。
8. The cab driver asks you if this is the place. You say no, over there, please. You say,
いいえ、あそこお願いします。
9. As you get out of the cab, you tell the driver, thank you. You say,
どうも。
10. The cab driver has asked you,
秋葉原ですね。
you want to say no, it's Ueno Park. You say,
いいえ、上野公園です。
Section 2. You will hear a conversation involving an American and two cab drivers. On a separate piece of paper, translate the entire conversation into English, stopping the tape whenever you need to. When you have finished, check your translation with the key. As the conversation begins, an American approaches a cab and asks to be taken to the place shown on a postcard.
ここお願いします。
え、どこですか？
The driver looks at the postcard.
ここですか？ダメ。
The American shows the postcard to another driver.
ここお願いします。
え、何ですか？
ここです。
The American drives off in the cab.
ここでいいですか？
いいえ、あそこお願いします。ここです。どうも。
This is the end of Part 8, Supplementary Self-Evaluation Quiz. Part 9, Additional Vocabulary. Here is a short list of words and phrases that can be used in the situations covered in this module. You will not be tested on these new words. To show you how they are used, we have provided some example sentences. Both the words and the sentences are on the tape to help you with pronunciation and to give you practice listening to them.
すみません。もう一度言ってください。
Excuse me. Please say that again.
すみません。もう一度言ってください。いくら？
How much?
いくら？いくらですか？
How much is it?
いくらですか？タクシー乗り場。
Taxi stand.
タクシー乗り場。 タクシー乗り場どこですか？
Where is the taxi stand?
タクシー乗り場どこですか？
This is the end of Part 9, Additional Vocabulary. This is the end of Module 7, Side 3.